Everyone thinks the best-selling riding lawn mowers are automatically the best choice for your 1-acre lawn. But is that really true? If you dig a little deeper, you'll find that some of these popular options might not meet your needs at all. Product number 1, Lawn Master LMRM 1602 Push Reel Mower. The Lawn Master LMRM 1602 is a manual push reel mower that caught my attention with its simple yet effective design, priced at just $113.83. If you want a healthier lawn without the noise and fuss of gas mowers, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial for maintaining a lush lawn that thrives. With a 16-inch cutting width and 10-inch front wheels, navigating around tight spots is a breeze. Plus, you can customize the cutting height with 4 positions ranging from 1 to 2 inches, ensuring you get the perfect trim every time. It's lightweight at just 22 pounds, making it easy to push around your yard. Now, some people might complain about its manual operation. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quiet, eco-friendly solution and don't mind putting in a little effort, this is a steal. But if you prefer the convenience of a powered mower, this might not be your best option. This is perfect for you if you want a cost-effective way to keep your yard healthy without the hassle of gas or electricity. Skip this one if you have a large, overgrown yard that requires heavy-duty power. Now, if the manual operation of the Lawn Master isn't your thing, the next product brings a bit more power to the table. Product number 2, Black Plus Decker Electric Push Mower. The Black Plus DECKER electric push mower caught my eye with its sleek design and reasonable price of $314.97. If you're looking for a reliable electric mower that delivers power without the hassle of gas, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a 13-amp motor, it provides ample power to handle thick grass and overgrowth, making it ideal for your 1-acre yard. The 20-inch cutting deck allows you to cover more ground efficiently, and with 6 height adjustments ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches, you can easily tailor your cut to your lawn's needs. The corded design offers unlimited runtime, which means you won't have to worry about running out of battery mid-mow, a huge plus. Now, some users have mentioned that dealing with the cord can be a hassle, especially if you have a large yard. But honestly, if you can manage the cord, the trade-off is worth it for the consistent power and performance you get. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful mower that's easy to operate and maintain. Skip this one if you need the freedom of cordless mowing. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Lawn Master MEB 1216K Electric Mower. Next up is the Lawn Master MEB 1216K, which is priced around $169.99, making it a solid mid-range choice. If you're after a lightweight electric mower that still packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. With 5 cutting height positions from 1.4 to 3 inches, you can easily adapt to your lawn's needs. The 8-gallon collection bag lets you catch clippings neatly so you won't have to rake afterward. Weighing in at just 30.1 pounds, maneuvering it around your yard is a breeze. However, some reviews pointed out that the bag can fill up quickly, which means you'll have to stop and empty it often. But here's the thing, for a mower this lightweight and effective, you might find the few extra minutes worth it to keep your lawn tidy. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight electric mower that's easy to handle and store. Skip this one if you have really thick grass or a lot of obstacles in your yard. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful and quiet, the next mower is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, WORX-17 Cordless Lawn Mower. The WORX-17 Cordless Lawn Mower is a bit pricier, but with a lot of features to justify the cost. If you want a cordless option that's both powerful and easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. Powered by 2 20V4A batteries, this mower can handle up to 1/8 acre on a single charge. The IntelliCut technology adjusts the cutting speed based on grass conditions, which means you'll get a cleaner cut while saving battery life. With a compact design and a weight of only 35.3 pounds, it's easy to navigate around your yard. Plus, the 7-position height adjustment allows for versatile cutting options, ensuring your lawn looks its best. Now, some users did mention that the battery life can be a concern if you have a larger yard. But honestly, if you plan your mowing sessions or have an extra battery on hand, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want the flexibility of cordless mowing and appreciate tech that optimizes performance. Skip this one if you have a larger property that may require extended mowing time. Now, if you're really looking for the top-tier experience, next is a mower that has some incredible technology packed into it. Product number 5, Ego Power Plus Zero Turn Riding Mower. Finally, we have the Ego Power Plus ZT4205S Zero Turn Riding Mower, which is definitely on the higher end of the price scale. But if you want to make lawn care feel like a breeze, this is worth a serious look. This mower features a 42-inch cutting width and E-steer technology, giving you precision control that's unmatched. With a whopping 412Ah batteries, it can cut up to 2.5 acres on a single charge, making it ideal for larger properties. You also get customizable speed settings, control, standard, and sport, so you can tackle your lawn at your own pace. Plus, the ability to expand battery options means you can handle even bigger properties if needed. Some reviews have mentioned the price tag being a hurdle, which is understandable. However, if you're serious about lawn care and want a premium experience, the investment could pay off in time saved and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful riding mower that makes lawn care effortless and fun. Skip this one if you are on a tight budget or don't need a mower for larger spaces. In conclusion, each of these mowers brings something unique to the table, whether it's the manual simplicity of the Lawn Master or the advanced technology of the Ego Power Plus. So, think about your specific needs and choose the one that fits your lawn care lifestyle. So to recap, the Lawn Master LMRM 1602 is great for eco-friendly users. The Black Plus DECKER offers consistent power. The Lawn Master MEB 1216K is lightweight and effective. The WORX mower brings cordless freedom, and the Ego Power Plus is for those who want top-of-the-line performance. Each one has its strengths and is worth considering based on what you need for your 1-acre lawn.